Greetings to you and welcome specially to Benginia Construction Lecture Hub. Well, today we are going to look at how to calculate the quantity of material, filling materials. So we have this as a surface, a ground surface, and we have the area of the land, as 500 meters by 10 meters. So we have the length as 500 meters, that is on this 500, then by this as the width 10 meters. So this is the level. So we took a level of the existing ground level. So we have point A, point B, point C, point D. All right, then we have our formation level as 4 meters. That is the final height, okay, as 4 meters. So the existing ground level now, we have them as 3.10 for point A, 3.25 for meters for point B. For point C, we have 3.20 meters. For point D, we have 3.15 meters. Okay, then we remove topsoil. We expect to remove topsoil of 200 millimeters. So that gives us 0.20 meters. So we deduct 0.2 meters from the existing ground levels for point A, B, C, D. So when we do that, we have a new ground level. For A, we have 2.90. For B, we have 3.05. For C, we have 3.00. For D, we have 2.95. Then our formation level here, we have it as 4 meters. Okay, so it means that for us to get the height, all right, for us to get this height of A, B, C, D, it means that we have to deduct the new ground level from the formation level. That will give us this height that we have shown here. So we have to deduct the 2.90 from 4.00. That will give us 1.10 for point A. When we do that for point B, we have 0.95. For point C, we have 1.00 meters. For point D, we have 1.05 meters. So these are the heights for A, B, C, D. So average of height of field becomes 1.10 plus 0.95 plus 1.00 plus 1.05 divided by 4. The average will have 1.03 meters. So this is the average height, along this length of 500 meters. So we have the volume of loose materials becomes the length of the area of the land, the length times the width, that gives us the area, times 1.03. Okay, that gives us the volume. So we have 5,150 5,150 meter cube. All right, so compacting factor for 30% of 1 cubic meter of loose material becomes equal to 1 plus 30 divided by 100. Okay, that gives us equal to 1.30. So gross volume of filling material becomes what we have here as the volume of loose material multiplied by the compacting factor. When we do that, we have 6695 cubic meter. Then understand that the capacity of our truck in this context, depending on the size of the truck you intend to haul this material. In this case, I'm using 12.75 cubic meter as the capacity of the truck. So number of haulage that it will give, will now be 6,695 divided by 12.75. That will give us 525 trips. So it means that you're going to haul the material, the truck is expected to move 525 times, or in terms of trips, to be able to get this required volume of filling material. All right, so this is how we are to compute for the quantity of our filling material. So do well to follow this page if this is the first time you're coming across this video for more insightful content as regards to construction. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.